So now let's see how we can insert out organic and circle diagrams inside of diagrams.net. So to do that, if I were to go around over here under the arrange menu, then you can go around under insert right here. And once you go around over here, you can go around over here in layout and you can see organic and circle is an option. If I were to go to an organic layout, you can see that I get a starting shape and you can go around, double click to change around the text as well, according to how you want. But if I were to click on this button, then you can see that a shape pops up. But if I were to click on it, you can see that it organically arranges out the diagram right here as I click on the addition of shape option right here. Everything gets arranged out accordingly, as you can see, organically, and you can click on insert and this is what you have, as you can see. Although it is not perfect, you can still go around and edit it later on, as you can see right here. It got more of an organic look, as you can see, as if a tree branch is growing out. If I were to go around and delete this, let me just go around onto the circle diagram right here. So to do that, I'm going to go to insert. And then if I were to go around under the layout option, you can choose circle right here and you can expand this out over here. Expand this, and you can see that it arranges it out to be a circle right here. You can click right here and everything you can see is being a circle. Everything is circular right here, just like this, as you can see when I utilize this circular diagram. And that is how you can insert out organic and circle diagrams inside of diagrams.net. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.